I'm Melissa from the Oregon City Public Library, and today we will be reading Snow Globe Wishes by Erin Deely. Lights go out, fierce clouds blow in, garlands fly on frozen wind. Lost connections, phones, computers, bundled homeward bound commuters. Traffic slows, roads disappear beneath the worst storm of the year. Picnic dinners, candlelight, darkness draws us close tonight. Blanket forts, crawl in, scoot over, kitten purrs, me too, barks Rover. Snow globe wishes, close your eyes, snowplows rumble lullabies. Then slowly stretching, morning yawns. Look, brilliant skies, rose golden dawn. Wake up, a whisper from the snow. Do you hear its soft hello? Magic sparkles, beckons, swirls. Come outside, dear boys and girls. Children hear it best, they say. But what if on this snow globe day, families shake their busy lives, heavy doors fling open wide. And out they go, ones, twos, threes, fours, in cities, towns, and right next door, outside to winter's wonderland. Who will be the first to grab a hand that grabs a hand, and then another? Neighbors, strangers, sisters, brothers. What if, dear friends, on this snow globe day, everyone comes out to play? To share a smile, to catch the spirit, laugh until the world could hear it, and pass it on as bright eyes glisten. Do you hear what they hear? Listen. Peace on earth, right now, right here. Peace for all throughout the year. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for another story.